So the U.S. Marshals are basically the police for the courtrooms. They're the court police. At least in the federal level, I believe the sheriff is the police for the courts in the state level. Anyway, so I had the marshals show up at my house twice, and because I guess I'm a problem child. First time was both were in 2007. What happened when I was getting the first one? Basically, they thought I was threatening of some sort, so that's why they came over, and I had to convince them that they were incorrect. First one was when I was in this patent mode, thinking everybody was infringing on my patent, which didn't even get issued. So anyways, but I was on this tangent where as I was just researching to see who was infringing on me, right? And one second. So I'm thinking everybody, including all the judges, have godly powers and are infringing on my patent. So I sent a letter to a lot of the judges at the federal courthouse asking if they had godly powers and if they could make a statement in an email or some kind of reply that they do not have godly powers, otherwise I feel that they're infringing on me. And so I was asking for a reply, and I didn't get it, but I did get I got the I guess the U.S. Marshals thought that was threatening, so came to my house, and of course my place is a mess. So I tried to explain to them, yes, I guess it was threatening. I was going to threaten to sue them for patent infringement if they had godly powers. So I guess there was some threat there, but I guess they maybe thought it was more of a physical nature. But they're very confusing. They're very confused and confusing. One second. The second time, this is shortly after. I've had a problem with Judge Noel for some time. In the James Randi case, I believe he stayed discovery and tried to help out the defense. There's basically a conflict of interest going on, in which he's helping out the defense to cover up evidence and help the defense out to get this thing dismissed. But it seems like he judges most of my cases, and I'm getting a little fed up with the negative results that he ensues. So in another case, he seems like he's in a lot of my cases. Anyway, so I went for a court hearing in October of 2007, and I could swear some people were trying to unload a Uzi into my back in the courtroom, and I think Judge Noel knew about this. Not only knew about it ahead of time, but was witness. I saw the way his eye movements. It was kind of like this when I was talking. And it's whenever that occurs, is something weird is going on. It can be like normal, but it's just the way he does it. The way some people do this, it gives me indication. So I wasn't for sure, but I was like, I think this judge is. So I sent a letter to Judge Noel saying, I think you kind of conspired on me back at the James with my discovery in the previous case, and I would like to. And I think he was trying to kill me in the courtroom, and I would like a statement under oath indicating that he did not do this. And I say I need a sworn statement by Judge Noel concerning these allegations within 2 weeks. Otherwise, we got a problem. Well, the otherwise we got a problem was the reason why the U.S. Marshals showed up for the second time. It showed up, I don't know, a couple weeks after this email, and indicating that we got a problem. Indicates that there might be like I might go postal or something on the judge or something. But they don't seem to understand that if there's a conflict of interest, then it's a legal issue in which all my cases with Judge Noel I should get dismissed, and I should get new trials, new cases. I shouldn't say new trials. I never got one trial, but I should get new cases at least. So after they showed up, it was just like, I'm like, this is ironic. They're thinking I might want to kill him, and I'm like, dude, the problem with the letter is that I'm accusing him of trying to kill me. I'm asking for affidavits. I will give you an affidavit that I didn't, that I'm not going to try to kill Judge Noel. I need you to give me one that Judge Noel didn't try to kill me. And if they, of course, say, we don't need to do that. We don't want to do that. And of course, I offered to give one, but you know, they don't want to give. They don't. They're not exactly. Nobody does much of what I say, so. So that went nowhere. I did try to dismiss. I did try to dismiss the judge. There's actually a motion for dismissal of judge, and that completely got ignored by the system, and my case got dismissed. They completely ignored that motion, and so I never, under oath, in that case, despite even trying to get rid of a motion for dismissal of judge. They ignored that, didn't even say that he didn't try to kill me. It just simply, the case went away. And it's pretty disgusting how the system was working there. But that's how I get bent over. So nothing really came from the marshals coming to my place other than just questioning me, but, you know, of course, I didn't get any affidavits concerning my safety, you know, in the courtroom. So, fun time.